Hi guys, it's Alan here from Compass Media, and today I just wanted to jump on and talk to you about Zoom and a few security measures that you can take to protect your Zoom conference calls. Okay, so what I want to talk about is locking and unlocking your room. Okay, so without further ado, let us jump over to our Zoom screen and look at how you can do this. Okay, so we are currently here in our Zoom screen in a meeting, basically, and you'll probably see there's two of us here, so take note of either one of us. Okay, so what I want to talk to you about is how you can actually lock your room when your attendees are in the room. Okay, and this is the reason I want to talk to you about this is I've had a number of calls over the last 2 or 3 days talking about the Zoom meetings being hacked into by people that are not invited to the room and just coming in. So basically, the hackers. Okay, and this is going to happen. It is going to happen. We can't not say it's going to happen because obviously in the current climate that we're in, we're all using Zoom conference calls a huge amount at the moment. So this is an open opportunity for a lot of people. But what I want to talk to you about is actually going and securing your room. Okay, now. When I say securing your room, I mean as in that it is safe. And it's also another question that came up was is someone was actually in a conversation in a Zoom room and it got hacked, and the first thing they thought of was is, well, has my machine been hacked or has my computer been hacked now because this person's come in? The question and the answer to that is no. It is only people that are coming into your room. The hackers are only hacking into the room. They're not hacking into your computer or the host's computer. They're hacking into the room on Zoom. Okay, so be sure of that you are in no danger if you enter a room. Okay, so don't let that put you off. Okay, but what I want to talk to you about is how you can lock the room. Okay, so let me explain, give you a scenario here. So I organize a meeting and I invite 5 or 6 people into that meeting. Okay. So say we schedule a meeting for 2 o'clock and people are coming in and we have a number of people on the screen and we have maybe 4 or 5 people. Okay. When we know that the full amount of attendees are in the room, that is when you lock your room. So basically what you're doing is you're locking the door so nobody else can come in. Now, how do you do that? Well, it's actually quite simple to do. So what you do is as you see on my screen here, you have your bottom toolbar which has your usual where you can mute your microphone, your video settings, how you can invite people, how you can share your screen, how you can chat, and how you can record as well, and how you can add a reaction to your Zoom meeting. Okay, the part that we're looking for is the manage participants. Okay, when you click on this, you will get a sidebar which will open up. Okay, in the sidebar you will see if I have say 5 different people in there, you will see the 5 people that are in attendance of the actual meeting. Okay, now down on the bottom you'll have mute all, you have unmute all, and you have more. The section that we're looking for is the more part. Okay, so let me just move this up here so you can view this in a bit more detail. Let me move it up here so you can see here. This is what we're talking about. So we have a number of different options. So allow participants to unmute themselves. That's fair enough. Play and enter and exit chimes if you want. That can be, sometimes that can be a good, because if you're in the middle of a conversation you can see a person that's coming in. But the one that I want to talk to you about is lock meeting. Okay, when you click on lock meeting, you'll automatically get this this notification tab of no new attendees can join this meeting once locked. And once you press that, okay, now your room is secure. Okay, so your room is now secure on Zoom. Okay, so now no matter what happens, no other person can come in. Now the only way that this can be of a distraction, or can be bad for you is by basically if you wanted, so if someone was late coming into the meeting. But what I would suggest there is if you are doing this and you know that you're going to lock the room, message or email your attendees and say, if you come to the room and it is locked, send me an email or send me a message, and then I can unlock the room and let you in. Okay, so it's more of a security measure than anything. Okay, also I have done another video where I explained how you stop file sharing. So if you want so nobody can share your screen. Okay, they can share their screen, I should say. So you can check that video out. It's available on the YouTube channel, and it's also available on social media and on the website. I'll be putting the page up with all these on it as well. But it is well worth checking out. That is the second other security measure that you can take, is that only the host has access to share their screen. Okay, so make sure that these two measures and these two precautions are taken next time you are organizing a Zoom meeting. So as I said, make sure that you go in and you go to your manage participants down in the bottom end of your on your toolbar. Click on it, open up your side panel, go to the more section at the very bottom in the right hand corner. Click it and lock your room, and then it means that your room is secure. It will unlock when you close, when you end your meeting. Okay, it will unlock, so you will have to do this every time you come in. Okay, it's just, as I said, it's a security measure that will help you to keep your room secure and also keep you more confident that you're not going to get a hacker coming into your room and destroying your meeting or destroying your conversation that you're having with friends or whatever it may be, or whatever usage that you're using for the Zoom call. So guys, I hope this is of value to you, and that it helps you to be a little bit more confident and feel a little bit more secure within your Zoom calls. Okay, if you want any more information or you need any help on Zoom or any of the social media platforms, please do get in contact with me. You can email me at alan@compassmedia.ie, or you can visit the website at compassmedia.ie. Also, I would suggest you to follow me on social media, because I'm going to be doing a lot more of these videos to explain the little hacks and the little help guides that you can do as well on social media, on video conferencing calls, and a lot more as well. Okay, so guys, stay safe and have a good day, and I shall talk to you soon. Bye bye.